tutorials. Today I'm going to show you for loop in PHP. In the previous chapter we have seen the while loop. Now we will minimizing that while loop by using the for loop. So let's start our browser and notepad. Let's check our localhost Apache server is running or not. Yeah, it is running. Now the syntax for loop is we need to write for, then initialize session. Second, we need to put the condition, and then semicolon space increment or decrement of the variable over here, and your code goes here. So this is the simple syntax of for loop. Now we'll take the same example like printing a table of any number. Let's take a number 5 and we will use a for loop to print the number. Num or multiplier equals to 1, then the same in the second part we should write the condition if it is less than or equals to 10, and this should increment after every statement execution. So if I write something like br, the number multiplied by a multiplier, copy and then paste equals to, it should show the calculation of these two. If I save this, the PHP program with the all files and for loop. Oh, I haven't given a extension for loop all files .php. Okay, so in the PHP programs directory we have for loop .php. It is showing a multiplication. Oh, I just need to remove it and put the multiplication operator, that is star. So it is showing the table of 5 over here. So in this case the number is multiplying with the multiply variable and it is showing the calculation over here. So in the first statement it is initializing the variable multiply with the value 1. In the second case it is checking whether the condition is true or not. For like 1 is less than or equals to 10, yeah, 1 is less than 10, so that's why it is executing this statement. After executing this statement it is incrementing the value multiply by 1, that is nothing but multiply plus plus. So after incrementing it is checking one more time whether the multiply is less than or equals to 10. That means in the second time it is checking 2 is less than or equals to 10, then it is going to execute this statement over here. In the similar way it is checking while at the 10th time it is checking 10 is less than or equals to 10. Yes, it is equals to 10, so it is showing this 5 into 10 equals to 50. In the next time whenever it is incrementing the multiply variable, its value is 11, so in that case 11 is not less than or equals to 10, so it is terminating and it is coming out of this loop. So that's how you can use for loop to execute a block of code for multiple times. Now there is one more loop, that is for each loop. The syntax for each loop is we should use a array variable over here for each loop, value, and code goes here. Whichever code you have to execute, it goes here. So you can use for each loop like this. Now if I have a array variable color arr equals to array red, green and blue. Now if I want to print this all these three colors by using for each loop, I can use like $color arr as $value, and in the block I can write echo br color is value. Save it, and if I just refresh this, so it is showing color red, green and blue. You can check whether which index number it is having. Default index number will be like key and equals to and greater than. You can check the dollar key is nothing but having a key. It is showing 0 1 2. You can use a key. If I put some value over here like 1 2 and here I put the key value is 3, so it will show in a sequence like color 1 2 and 3. So that's how you can use a key in a for each loop. So that's all for now. You can use for loop and for each loop in this way. In the next tutorial we are going to see functions in PHP. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. For more videos